Hi, I'm Kel, and I really liked my Scratch course when my lessons were starting. I was excited, and so I made this little animation that I'm gonna keep working on. Sure. I'm gonna win this race. Oh yeah.
So tell me, are you gonna work on this project from now on when you're gonna be free,
Yeah.
right? Yes, and this was your last lesson for Scratch course. Not definitely, we're not ending the course. We might start sooner again. So, how was your experience learning Scratch with us? What do you think? How was
Um.
the lesson? So on. You've been there learning for let's say about 8 months or even more. So tell me, how did
About I've actually been there about a year.
yeah about a year. So how was your experience? Tell me.
It was really good.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Tell us about people who's gonna be really new to Scratch. What Scratch is about. What you can do with Scratch.
Scratch is about to have fun and and people come to Scratch
Mm-hmm.
to see to put together ideas to form one big project
Mm-hmm.
and to see others and how theirs can be good too.
Yeah, cool.
Scratch is
Uh,
also about to to um see different people make friends
yeah,
and
exactly. Have
see
fun.
how everyone can be good at something and can love something.
You did a really good speech out there. So,
The same thing as everyone else.
all right. That's a really good speech out there. So